Welcome back to Car Culture Club, the place where we explore not just the culture of cars but also the machines that inspire speed, design, and technology all around the world. Today we are going to talk about something bigger, something more fascinating than cars. We are going to explore the world of Hawai Jahaz, or airplanes, and why they hold such an important place in our lives, in our dreams, and especially in Thailand where aviation continues to grow at a rapid pace. When we think of a Hawai Jahaz, the first image that comes to mind is this giant bird of steel and technology flying high in the sky, carrying people across cities, countries, and continents. But what many people don't realize is that airplanes are not just a means of transport, they are symbols of human progress. From the first flight of the Wright brothers in 1903 to the modern supersonic jets and futuristic concepts being designed today, airplanes have always pushed the boundaries of what humans can achieve. In Thailand, aviation is not just about transportation, it is also deeply connected with tourism, economy, and even culture. Every year, millions of travelers fly in and out of Bangkok, Phuket, Chiang Mai, and Pattaya. Thailand is one of the most visited countries in the world, and without Hawai Jahaz, this kind of connection would simply not be possible. Think about it, the moment you step inside an airplane, you are entering into a world that is different from the ground. You are entering into a capsule of technology where everything is designed with precision, safety, and comfort. One of the most fascinating things about airplanes is their design. Just like we car lovers admire the curves, aerodynamics, and engines of supercars, airplanes too are masterpieces of engineering. The wings, the engines, the fuselage, every single part of a Hawai Jahaz is carefully crafted to balance speed, lift, and safety. A small mistake in design can mean a huge difference in performance, so aerospace engineers spend years perfecting every detail. For example, the engines of modern airplanes are some of the most powerful machines in the world. They can suck in tons of air, compress it, mix it with fuel, and create a controlled explosion that propels the plane forward at hundreds of kilometers per hour. Now let's take a moment to imagine the experience of flying. You enter the airport, pass through security, and finally walk towards the massive airplane waiting at the gate. As you step inside, you see the cabin, the rows of seats, the crew welcoming you, and the sound of engines starting. When the airplane begins to move and then accelerates down the runway, that feeling when it lifts off the ground is truly magical. It's a moment where gravity loses its hold on you, and suddenly, you are soaring above the world, looking down at cities, rivers, forests, and oceans. For many people in Thailand, this experience is still filled with excitement and wonder, even if they have flown many times. But Hawai Jahaz are not only for passengers. They also play a key role in military defense, cargo transport, and even scientific research. Thailand has its own air force that uses fighter jets, transport planes, and helicopters to protect the nation's skies. At the same time, cargo planes are moving goods, products, and food across the country and the region every single day. And let's not forget medical flights, rescue missions, and emergency evacuations where airplanes save lives by bringing help to people faster than any other mode of transport. One interesting part of aviation is how it connects with the younger generation. Just like kids grow up loving cars, motorcycles, and racing, many in Thailand also dream of becoming pilots. The idea of wearing a pilot's uniform, sitting in the cockpit, and controlling such a powerful machine is a dream career for many. And it's not just about being a pilot. Aviation also offers careers as engineers, air traffic controllers, cabin crew, and designers. Each role is important in keeping the system of flying safe and reliable. Thailand's airports are also a great example of how aviation builds a country's global image. Bangkok's Suvarnabhumi Airport is one of the largest and busiest airports in Asia, designed with a stunning modern architecture that impresses travelers from all over the world. When people land in Thailand, the first thing they see is the airport, and it sets the mood for their entire journey. Without Hawai Jahaz, none of this global connection would be possible. Now let's talk about the future of airplanes. Just as cars are moving towards electric power, self-driving technology, and eco-friendly designs, airplanes too are evolving. Companies are working on electric planes, hydrogen-powered engines, and even concepts of flying taxis that could revolutionize city travel. Imagine in the future, instead of driving in heavy Bangkok traffic, you could simply take a small electric plane from one part of the city to another in minutes. This is not science fiction anymore, it is being developed right now. For Thailand, a country with growing cities and high tourism, such innovations could change everything. Airplanes also connect with culture in unique ways. Think of the excitement at Thai festivals when people release lanterns into the sky. Now imagine airplanes as giant lanterns, carrying dreams and hopes of people across the skies. Many people also have personal memories connected with flying, maybe their first international trip, maybe a reunion with family, or even a honeymoon trip to a beautiful island. These emotional connections make Hawai Jahaz more than just machines. They become part of our life stories. At the same time, airplanes also remind us of responsibility. Flying has an environmental cost, and the aviation industry is working hard to reduce carbon emissions, improve fuel efficiency, and create greener technologies. As fans of machines, whether cars or planes, it is important for us to appreciate innovation while also thinking about sustainability. The future of travel depends not only on speed and luxury but also on protecting the planet we all share. So next time you see a Hawai Jahaz flying above you in the skies of Thailand, take a moment to appreciate the miracle you are witnessing. That airplane is carrying hundreds of people, crossing thousands of kilometers, all while maintaining balance, safety, and precision. It is truly one of the greatest achievements of human engineering. Here at Car Culture Club, we celebrate machines of all kinds, from the fastest cars to the most powerful airplanes. And today, by diving into the world of Hawai Jahaz, we remind ourselves that technology is not just about going faster, but about connecting people, cultures, and dreams. Thank you for being with me today, and if you enjoyed this journey through the skies, make sure to subscribe to Car Culture Club, share this video with your friends, and let us know in the comments about your first experience with flying in a Hawai Jahaz. Until next time, stay inspired, keep exploring, and remember that whether on the road or in the sky, machines are more than metal, they are part of our culture. Would you like me to make this script more storytelling style, like taking the viewer on a flight step by step, or keep it informative documentary style like this one?